program. So I will create first of all the demo.java file, and in this particular demo.java file, the public class demo is a main class here, and I will create here the main method, and one more class I have to create, so that class laptop. So the name of the class is a laptop one, and this class laptop will have one private variable whose data type is a string, and the name of that variable is a memory. So what is the meaning of this? So one class is there, public class, the main method is there within a public class, and we have one more class which is called the laptop class, and that laptop class will have one data that is called the memory. It is a string, and its access specifier is a private. So it means that the memory cannot be accessed in a main method. Okay. So in order to access the memory, in order to read that particular value or write the value, I need the public methods. So for that, I have to create the getter and setter methods for this particular memory variable. So how to create the getter and the setter methods? So to create the getter method, I have to mention the name of that particular method. So say that it is a get memory is the name of the method. Get the memory means we want to read the value of the memory, so it should return the string value, right? And it should be this method we want to execute by using the object. So this method should be the public one, right? And this method is not accepting anything, and this method is generally designed to supply the value of the memory. So return memory, and this is the getter method. Now set method, it means that set memory. So this is what the convention now. So set memory means that I will supply some value to this particular method, and that some value is nothing but the string data type. Say it is str, and I want to assign this particular value to the memory variable, which is a private variable of the class. So I will use the this keyword, this dot memory equal to str. Okay, that's done. Now this method is not returning anything, so I will use the void keyword here, and this method should be the public because I want to run this particular method by using the object of this class, right? Now I will create the object of the laptop class. So to create the object of the laptop class, I need the class name, then the name of the variable, then the new keyword, and then the constructor of that particular class. So object is created. Okay. So here I expect the memory. Okay. So object is created now. Now by using this particular object, I should execute the setter method first of all. So I want l1.set memory. So say that 250 GB is a memory of my laptop, and I have set this. So when this instruction is executed, the private variable, which is the instance variable of the class, which is a memory, which is related to the L1 laptop, is initialized to the 250 GB. Now whenever I call the getter method, get memory, then this particular method, okay, now this method, this l1.getMemory method is going to return me the string. So I will concatenate this string with one more string. Say my laptop memory is this, and complete this is a string now. So I can pass the string as an input to the system out println method, right? So it is a string now, and the string is passed as an input to the println method. So it will print my laptop memory is L1 dot get memory. So it will access that particular value and rest is done. So this concept is what the concept of the encapsulation in a core Java. So the encapsulation concept tells that there should be the class, and within that particular class we should have the instance variable. That instance variable should be declared as a private only. It should not be declared as a public, because if it is a public, then the object can be access that particular data. So it is against the encapsulation principle. Then if it is a private instance variable, then this instance variable should be accessed only via the public methods. So there should be the getter and setter methods in order to read and write that particular variable, instance variable. In order to manipulate the instance variable, we need the getter and setter methods. Then we should create the object of the class in the main method, and by using the object we should call the set memory method, and we should call the get memory method. So this is what writing some value to the instance variable. This is what reading the value of the instance variable. So this is the entire concept of the encapsulation. So always their instance variable must be the private only, and in order to handle that particular, manipulate or read and write that particular instance variable, there should be the two public methods which we call as a getter and setter methods. So this is what the complete explanation related to the encapsulation in a core Java. So ultimately encapsulation means that the data, in our case is a memory, and the methods, in our case get memory and the set method. So data and the methods, okay, are kept in a single entity which we call as a class. That is called as the encapsulation. It's very simple.